What's the meaning of culture? Culture. Culture.
Culture. Culture. Culture refers to the beliefs, practices, customs, and social behavior that define a particular group or society. It encompasses the arts, literature, music, language, cuisine, and traditions of a people. Culture plays a significant role in shaping individual and collective identities, values, and worldviews. It also facilitates communication, cooperation, and mutual understanding among diverse communities. Furthermore, culture is dynamic and constantly evolving, influenced by historical events, technological innovations, and global trends. In essence, culture provides a framework for human expression, creativity, and social interaction.